Test, test, test. We should be live. Here we go. What's up, Victor? What's up, Dashin? Let's go, baby. Let me log into my Bitmart really quick. What a freaking rebound by Bitcoin. That shows me there's demand at those prices. Destroyer, he says he's lost hope, and I'm really getting really tired with Tesla. I need to get out of this stock. Like I'm frustrated, man. But as weird as it sounds, we're all losing together. I know that sounds so weird. Let it turn out to be. It's been a minute. It's been a while. How have you been? Opportunities are opening up, Habin. Yeah, it's just hard to buy on the dip sometimes because it can continue to dip. What's going on, chicken? I'm not a boomer. Thoughts on AMC? Let's take a look. How's AMC doing today? Oh wow. I'm not too surprised. I mean, you can't really do a lot. There's a lot of fear right now with everything. Look at the heat map. This just says a lot, I think AMC is being held down today. What is this financing rates? What's the 10-year, by the way? How do I go for the 10-year? Calendar visualize, analyze. 1 point something, right? 1.65 maybe. GameStop probably the same thing. 166. You're holding a skills bag. Kathy Wood ARK has been buying skills left and right. They've been loading up on skills. Let's see if they have it here. Kathy Wood sheds 33 million Alibaba shares on earnings day. This was on May 14th, so a couple days ago. Just if you haven't signed up to her ARK Invests daily recap, daily portfolio update, go on their website. It's completely free. They send you updates. They bought Tesla yesterday. A little bit of shares, but keep in mind they update. I mean, they weigh their portfolio at 10%, no more than 10% Tesla. So that's why you see a small position. We'll cover it in tonight's video. I've already filmed tonight's video. I just have to finish the stream right in like half an hour. I have to edit the video. I have to work on some law project for my law class, business law. Sorry for the delay. Ralph, what do we do in this crash, fam? Neo, CCIV, what are your thoughts? First of all, Neo's always going to be trading with Tesla no matter what. Neo's really tight to Tesla. Obviously, they're in the same sector, but my only concern is stocks like Fisker. By the way, look, they're rallying today. Fisker's green today. What's another EV? Xpeng, which is obviously Neo's brother in China. It's green today. So CCIV, I have 10 shares. Nothing crazy because obviously they haven't proven themselves yet. We're down on this one. We bought at 30, by the way. That's at 18. They need to prove themselves. They need some deliveries, man. This was nuts. Buying CCIV at the high of 64 on the rumor. It wasn't even a rumor. It had gone through with the SPAC. It was nuts. You're buying nothing, basically. You're buying a company that has no deliveries. That's what they need to do first. But for Tesla, obviously, inflation fears. You have Elon Musk over here on Twitter. Elon really screwed up the chance for Tesla to rally. It had such an amazing close on Friday, and on Sunday he went on a rampage on Twitter. But guys, I'm really happy with tech though. Tech, Nasdaq today, super unpredictable rally we have today on tech. These other tech stocks are holding up pretty well today compared to the Dow Jones, which is red, but we're going up. We're going up right now. S&P, SPX going up, and compare this to the Nasdaq. Look, NDX. And yet Nasdaq and tech held stronger than I really thought today. I thought today futures were going to dump. Bitcoin was dumping. I'm like, you know what? That's going to be a harsh day, but not really. Not really. We're coming back. He also told you Tesla is overpriced. Who? I agree. Some of the valuations are nuts. I'm almost up on my AMD. AMD or AMC? Oh, what? Nvidia too. Did Nvidia have the spike? No. This is some news. Oh, I know what happened. The repurchasing of the buyback, the shares. Yeah, AMD unleashes 4 billion buyback, share buyback. Oh, crazy AMD. I remember I was gonna buy AMD at $30. Look, I have trend lines on here. Damn, these are good long-term plays. Is Intel crapping itself again? No, Intel's green. All right, Nasdaq pushing into the last 20, 40 minutes. I'm sorry. Yeah, half an hour, 35. Not bad. So we're pretty much at pre-market yesterday after hours levels. Elon tweeted Tesla is overpriced. Oh yeah, I remember that, man. The one of the worst ones was the taking Tesla private, funding secured at 420. That one, and in my opinion, Tesla stock is too high. That's what he said. That's crazy, crazy guy. Techno King. Elon giveth, Elon taketh. You know what they say. All right, I got Bitcoin pulled up. Let's see. Bitcoin is sitting at 38.9. Great, great. Let's see, let's plot the EMA really quick. Did anybody buy the Dogecoin dip? So this is one millionaire guy, right? The Dogecoin millionaire. I think that he calls himself Dogecoin millionaire. He's been on all the YouTube finance guys, the Graham Stephan, me, Kevin. He has the hoodie. You guys know who I'm talking about? The Dogecoin millionaire. I thought about him when Dogecoin dipped earlier when I was driving. I'm like, wait a minute, this guy had a lot of Dogecoin. Did he hold? Because he was up like 3 million, right? At 70 cents. But for Bitcoin, we're right around 40, 39K. So we're back to where we sank from. The question is, on the 4-hour, do we pop above, baby? 45, 50K by the end of the week? I don't know. Sunday? But Sunday, I think, is usually a red day for crypto. I kind of believe him. What are we for Dogecoin? 36. Ethereum, 26. Safe when Shiba's still on the red. Cardano. Damn, Cardano really bounced off $1. Let's see Twitter. What do you got on Twitter? What's trending on Twitter? Number one thing trending is AMC strong. There we go. Crypto crash. Bitcoin plunges. Diamond hands buy the dip. AMC to the moon. Coinbase is trending. Robinhood rewards, whatever that is. GME sunk. Yeah, we not really. We were hoping for a 170 close today. A 170 close on GameStop. We're right under that. It's always at 180s, man. That 180s is always a battle zone for GameStop. Hit 189 though. As for AMC, this is the pullback we were talking about before. So I'm not too surprised on this pullback. It just happened at the wrong time. The wrong market conditions. But it can hold 12 and it's still on the uptrend. The question is there going to be a rebound here? Because I was comparing it this morning to the last pullback we had here mid-March, around March 22nd, at the same price, 13.77. But on the previous drop, it dropped to 8.70, like right around $9, and in a matter in like a week or so. Is that going to happen this time? I don't think so. I think there's more attention now than before, and we have June 2nd, guys, coming around the corner. The proxy's coming out June 2nd. What's going on, William? The death of Doge? I don't know. We're seeing a strong rebound, but it's all in the hands of Bitcoin, man. Where Bitcoin takes us, we're going. Check these tech stocks. NASDAQ, lead the way, baby. I can't believe it. NASDAQ is really pushing like this. There's a lot of concerns on inflation right now. On tapering, the market does not make sense. I'm shook today. I'm really, really shook. Apple's pushing, Facebook's pushing, Microsoft is pushing, Netflix, Amazon. Tesla's the only one that's kind of hesitant, 560s. If Tesla does push tomorrow, if it does push right now, expect like 570s, but I'm not surprised because we have lower lows, man. Lower highs too. It needs look how it's stuck under EMA here. We haven't really had that push like we've seen before on the 4-hour on previous drops on Tesla. I don't blame it, man. AMC won't drop that much. It'll bounce soon. It'll probably hit 15 by the end of the week. Those are the levels though. The 12, 13. Let's go back to AMC really quick. Yeah, this was the previous resistance. 12 was the previous wall. Can that become support? There's a very good chance of it becoming support there at 12. There's a lot more sentiment, a lot more bullish sentiment after the fact that it hit 1580s after hours on Monday. That's great. That's great. So let's see if it holds. Let's go Twitter really quick. Any updates? No. Let's actually check Twitter stock. How are we doing on that? 52.77, not too bad. Are you buying this? Bro, Nathan, I want to get out of Tesla first. Tesla's where my main focus is right now. Like I'm trying to maneuver, see. I'm thinking if Tesla drops um 520s, 500, I don't know. Should I, if I'm gonna double down, have 100 shares of Tesla, or am I gonna just call it quits, take the L, and just not swing trade this anymore? Especially right now during these conditions. How much am I down? It says 4,000. Buy high, buy low and sell lower, man. That's exactly what's happening. Tesla at 50. You were saying that this morning, Gatsby. If it hits 500, might as well wait for 420. You think so? You know what Elon says. The only thing that's really effing everything up with Tesla is the fact that it's tied to Bitcoin. Scale back off and lower your average. It's just gonna be a waiting game. The Tesla swing is weird because it might take a day or two or up to 2 weeks if you're caught holding. I'm in the same spot. Yeah, I would have never thought I would be swinging 55 shares of Tesla and it not pushing. Like this stock is stubborn as crap. Like it's not, it doesn't want to break out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to average down. Or maybe sell because I had 30 right initially, and I don't know why I bought 25 more. I thought we were gonna see a push, but obviously we're not. So if I do sell 25 and I wait for another dip, then I'd have to nail the dip. I'd have to wait for that. But again, I'm keeping an eye at the time. We're headed to June. June's very nasty sometimes. And the fact that Elon doesn't want to let go of Bitcoin, that kind of worries me sometimes. Sometimes just go for the day trade, you know? I mean, it's not a big of a loss. A couple thousand, I could eat that. Just make back that money. I'm just not trying to take that L, you know? There's a chance Elon sold Bitcoin. No, he didn't. He tweeted diamond hands this morning, by the way. He tweeted Tesla has diamond hands. Take a look at this. So he doesn't want to let go, man. He does not want to let go. Look at this. Tesla has diamond hands. Let's see what people are saying. You're the most hated person in the world right now. All of my friends, myself included, went from diehard to Elon, Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink fans to hating you from the deep within our souls. How you accomplished that in such a short amount of time is one for the history books. Mine's is faster. My situation with AMC was faster than and Elon and Bitcoin. But yeah, this is one of this exact tweet is one of the reasons that I'm kind of spooked, you know? Mr. Beast? Oh, he tweeted at him. This is an emotional roller coaster. Did anybody have trouble with Coinbase this morning or Binance? Were any of you guys trying to buy the dip, the crypto dip, and were not able to buy or sell? I heard Binance was also a crazy swing this morning. What's going on, Victor? The crypto's hurting my liver. Oh man. Let's see. How's AMC doing? 1237. Any news? I have a feeling this stock is not gonna have any breaking news until June 2nd. 2 weeks from now or so. Unless I'm wrong. GameStop coming back to life, 167. Let's go from that 170 close on this bad boy. We still got 25 minutes. There's still time on the clock. Uphold halted trading on crypto, everything. It's like Robinhood when it crashed last year March and earlier this year on January with the whole GameStop AMC situation. Same thing. Same thing. People panic. People start paper handing everything. I couldn't access my Coinbase, Binance. Yeah. I heard even the websites like coinmarketcap.com was also down. Let's see. So it's only down 17%. Earlier when I checked it was 20%. Obviously Tether. Bitcoin 38, Ethereum 25. Binance Coin I think had some crazy swings. Wasn't it like a 600 not so long ago? Let's see. Go back. How do we go back? Not Safe Moon. Poor Portnoy, he's getting wrecked on that too. Cardano, Doge, Ripple. Polygon, Matic. There we go, Victor. That's your coin right here. I heard that all of the Elon coins, the F Elon, are like up crazy too. Oh no, I agree. Turn up. If Tesla drops under 540, 539 was the last low we hit recently. If it drops under 540, it's done. It's game. Michael Burry's going to be printing some tendies. What is this? You guys think Elon really bought some Bitcoin when it dipped? If he did, oh man, that's gonna look so bad on him. See how these banks are holding. I don't know what you just said. I trust with my portfolio and children. What? What's your prediction with Bitcoin? Give me 1 second. I think my only concern right now, let's pull up this really quick. This always does this. Um let's go. My only concern is that this is only a sympathy bounce. All right, that's the only my only concern. Like this looks like test on the 4 hour. Ever since Bitcoin came out of the 4 hour here at 54, we were already seeing weakness at 54. That's the one thing I noticed. I'm like, test. I mean, Bitcoin's not really above 60. That was my only concern. But it bounced off of 30. Demand's there. Okay. If this doesn't come back to like 50 and show that upward momentum, I'll be really spooked. I'd be not worried if you're in for the long term, but as for like a swing day trading approach, I'd be kind of like, hey, this isn't coming above 50 again. But this can trade sideways. We don't know. This can be sideways at 35. It can hold that base just like it did in 2017, 2019 before it pulled back and it held trade sideways for a long time. It can do that here. That's the way I'm looking at it right now. Uh, Crypto Well tweeted funny how Bernie Madoff's death marked the exact date Bitcoin topped out. The universe works in mysterious ways. Same goes for Ethereum, everything. That's my only concern. Mm-mm-mm. For those holding here, what price did you get in at? Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Let's see. I need to look more into that Fed too. After hours, I'm gonna look more into the Fed. Okay, look at this. 300 million to the buy side. Yesterday we saw 220 million to the sell side. So this is exactly what I was talking about in the other videos, guys. Watch how these whales rotate the money. Watch that. That could have happened with crypto too. These guys, these big whales taking profits and moving that to the market. I think that's why Nasdaq did pretty well today. U.S. indices are trading lower amid continued weakness in tech stocks as investors weigh in the Fed's April meeting. Its inflation concerns that future rate hikes will have weighed on investor sentiment recently. Who's calling me? No. They're holding pretty strong, so we're holding pretty strong. 401 AMC in honor of 801. I was talking about Bitcoin or crypto. 1320. 1320 for AMC. Look at this. Portnoy's throwing shots. Portnoy is throwing shots, baby. Tony says, I know he said diamond hands, but I believe he sold off some Bitcoin. If he lied like that, I'd be really disappointed. I mean, he has like a couple days to file an AK filing with the SEC to show that. I don't think he would lie about that. Maybe Diamond Hands was more about Tesla. I don't think so. That's what I thought first. I'm like, okay, maybe he's talking about Tesla holders that were holding strong, but I don't think so. Doesn't make sense. He's talking about Bitcoin. He's talking that they're holding Bitcoin, not the shares. No, no way. Him personally, not Tesla. I don't know, man. I think he's talking about Tesla. That's my guess. What do you guys think? Because there's obviously a lot of concerns. He sold? No. He might have hinted, maybe. He's backing up saying no. Oh, man. I mean, well, he did say Tesla has diamond hands. I don't think he's talking about shareholders. I mean, I'm diamond handing the heck out of my Tesla, but you don't understand how bad I want to sell too. Like I want out. I want out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Game style coming back. Let's get that 170 close. Come on. AMC coming back to life. Come on. CNBC says traders are now more worried that the Fed isn't being proactive enough. Oh, what is this? BS. Doesn't want that the Fed to be hawkish or dovish. Doesn't want the Fed taper and begin raising interest rates sooner than expected. Obviously, we're waiting for like 2023. That's their dates in which I think they'll fold before that. Of course, the T word transitory simply imply a couple months ago. Neo's moving. Let's go. Bond yields. What's the 10-year? 10-year treasury. What were we this morning? 1.6 something? Let's take a look. 1.67 now. Most traders want the Fed to be more proactive. They want communication to begin right now. They want to hear now that the Fed is thinking about changing its stance on tapering. Oh, let's not get that. I mean, we have the Fed meeting in June. Oh, that's gonna be a killer in June. Huge updates. Are they gonna hold near zero, unchanged? What do you guys think? They want to hear what the Fed is thinking about changing its stance on tapering and raising rates. That would be a short-term negative for the market, of course. Obviously, yeah, I agree with this. Short-term negative, long-term positive. We also keep in mind we have the CPIs every 12 of the month. So let's see if that comes in hotter next month. Oh, the next month, June, for the month of May. Okay. What else we got here? Crypto collapse. Elon Musk tweets diamond hands emoji amid. Oh, see, implying Tesla won't sell. I think it's the Bitcoin and Tesla situation. I don't think it's the shares. You said Bitcoin is pushing. Bitcoin is pushing. Let's take a look. All right. Neil was rallying, right? All right. Neil pushing into the market close. Tesla should be pushing. Come on, let's go. That's a pretty strong 4 hour candle if you ask me. But then again, watch the lower high. Is it going to honor that? 5 minutes. 38, 39. What was the high here? Like 40.4? Stocks like Square obviously took a massive blow pre-market. So she was horrible, man. PayPal, how are we doing, PayPal? How are we holding up there? All right, recovered that. It seems to me like we're going to be closing at the same prices we were pre-market for Tesla, 560s. Hmm. What's the volume on AMC? I need to see this. It's not taking as fast as it was before. Let's see. AMC Entertainment. Summary. Oh, 83. I mean, that's still darn high, 83 mil. But compared to 220 last week, it's kind of slowed down a bit. Good old GameStop. What are we looking at? 4.5. Look at this. People also watch. What can you guys tell me about all these stocks, quote unquote? They're meme stocks. Sundial, Tilray, AMC Naked, Zom. Microvision was one we were watching recently too. Back to 13. This one was spiking here a little bit at 16. Sundial. This stock is like not doing anything. Tilray, here we go. Nasdaq pulling back slightly. Tony says with his company stock dropping badly, I sure hope his focus was not on diamond hands for Bitcoin. Elon needs to dump Bitcoin, forget about crypto, and focus on Tesla. I'm losing that focus there with Elon. Do you guys feel that? Like Elon is not as focused right now with Tesla as he has in the past. Like I can feel that, and that's not, and the stock obviously knows. That's why we're pulling back this aggressive. Tesla is losing bad right now. It's not a great sign. All right, here we go. We got 13 minutes. Nasdaq is pulling on back. It seems to me people don't want to swing trade. People don't want to hold. I don't blame them. Do not blaming them at all. Let's see. Heat map really quick. He thinks he's a rock star. Yeah, he kind of fits with that crypto market, I guess you can say, image. He doesn't care about Tesla anymore. And there's like 20,000 cars stuck in Fremont. Logistic problems. Look at this, Tesla cars stuck. Okay, a day ago it was a 10,000, right? But this morning I saw it was 20,000. It was on Reddit too. You guys said Tesla's really hot on Reddit, right? Like Tesla's like a really hot stock on Reddit. Look at this. Containment hold, and they can't deliver them to customers. Obviously, if you guys watch the UFC, that one guy, after his fight, he's like, Elon, I ordered a Tesla 6 months ago. Where's my car? And I think Elon gave him a Model 3 for now. Um, mm, mm. And it's funny how people fly drones. Like a lot of the Tesla bears. There was this one situation like a couple of years ago. This one guy, right? He's a massive bear on Tesla. He hates Elon, and he was flying a drone over one of the factories and spying on Tesla, and he was calling them out. You guys ever hear about that? And Elon sued the kid. I don't know what happened. He kind of backed off. He kind of got spooked. But who keeps on calling me? I'm sorry about that. But you guys ever hear about that? There was like this Tesla car driving with the camera for like a commercial, right? And he saw that and he noticed that and that he pulled right behind the Tesla. And Elon sued him because he was a danger, he was a threat to the people in the vehicle and all this crazy stuff. But that's crazy. To go to that extreme. Oh boy. I think I'll day trade Wendy's tomorrow. You guys even brought this up a couple days ago. I never even knew Wendy's had a stock. I might have, but then I forgot. I know Jack in the Box, McDonald's has a stock, but I don't know how I feel about a day trade on this. There's not a lot of volume. How's McDonald's? Got clapped again. Imagine McDonald's buys Bitcoin. Oh boy, Jack in the crack. Very liquid. Imagine getting sued by Elon. Oh boy. Yeah, that's why he kind of backed off. He was very, very. They call him. They call the bearish community of Tesla Tesla Q, right? Because when a company goes bankrupt, they put a Q at the end of your stock, like Hertz. Hertz, where is it at? Hertz Q, or is it HTCGQ? Yeah, see. So you add a Q to the end of a company that goes bankrupt, right? So Tesla Q, obviously, they want us to go bankrupt. That Tesla Q community, he was very like, I'm gonna take it down, flying drones over the Fremont factory, calling out Elon. But he really backed off when Elon said I ain't playing games and they sued him. But that I'd hate that. Wake up one day, it's like, oh crap, I got sued by Elon Musk. Especially if you love the stock. Can you imagine, like, huge Tesla fan, you get sued by Elon? And he was a student too. Very smart guy, by the way. That guy, the bear, very smart guy. Oh, what's going on, Kevin? Been offline most of the days. Yeah, good. Distress, man. I could feel it in my freaking body. There we go, AMC. Is GameStop above 170? It wants to. And the thing with crypto, it's 24/7. You get no breathing space. Swing that rascal. I suck at swing trading, man. I need to stick to what I'm good at, which is just day trading it. Obviously, the market conditions are very different from December and January, but I can't. I don't have that. For swing trading, there's just too much risk, man. Look what happened Friday. We swung Tesla. Elon woke up on Sunday. You know what? I want to fight the Bitcoin community. We got wrecked on Monday. You can't control that, you know? There's a lot of factors, a lot of variables. I don't know. It's too risky to me, for me. And then not just that, but when you swing trade and you're already in the red, you're starting your day off red. You're starting the day off with an L. I don't like that. You're playing catch up throughout the day, basically. That's what you're doing. SpaceX Q. Oh man. Bitcoin 38.9. Fear the Doge. Can't believe Doge really tapped 21 cents. It's back at 35 though. Here comes AMC. The rocket is fueling up. Take a look at this order flow. Where are these walls at too? 55. That's what I was hoping for today, Mason. A 13 close on AMC. A $13 close. 13 close and 1250 hold, in which the 1250 kind of struggled a bit. But hey, we're back. 1250 here. So pretty strong recovery into the market close. I like that. Let's see. GameStop doing the same, pushing, leading the way. 168. Let's go. It was that spacesuit, man. I haven't worn the spacesuit in quite some time. Tesla coming back. Take a look at Neo. Also, Ride, Lordstown. It's coming back. What a beautiful chart here too. Xpeng. Yeah, Neo, I like that. Here we go. Give me back my tendies. Freaking Elon. Let's go, GameStop. Dip to 12 so I can buy some more. Let's see. What do we got on Twitter? What do we got on Twitter? It's okay to take a day off. The market will always be there when you return with just as many opportunities as always. Always look after yourself first. We're just talking about this, Kevin, right? It's okay to just step away. These markets really, I feel like I got a year older today. The stress is real. Like last night, guys, Bitcoin cracked 40 before I went to sleep. I knew Tesla was gonna suffer today. I did not think it would be this like great. Honestly, this bounce here is pretty decent. I thought we were gonna flush. I was like, this is game over for me. Like I'm gonna get clapped. I kept thinking I have to double down. Oh, but we're not there. Oh gosh, come on. We're back to what? Yesterday's close? 570s. Oh, I don't even know why I'm getting excited. We're literally back at the same place as yesterday. Here we go. You gotta wear the spacesuit at 1450. CNBC and their guests urging viewers to buy more Bitcoin and saying it will not drop before below 40K is a clear sign we're going lower. That too, I kind of agree with that. That's a tweet, by the way. At 60K, you had a lot of people telling you to buy. You had JP Morgan, all these Morgan Stanley people on Twitter going crazy. It's not gonna drop. It's not gonna drop. And sometimes you have to go against the consensus. But it was due for a correction. The thing with Ethereum too, as well, is you see these crazy parabolic runs from like 2K to 4K, and people are going crazy, tendies all over. One thing I learned when I lost 100K in one day trading options, a fence that goes up fast comes down fast. The last thing you want sometimes is a stock to just go parabolic crazy, or crypto asset equity. You want steady growth. That's the way I think of things, and I'm like, do I really want to buy here at this? It's pretty high, you know. People are euphoric. Be fearful when others are greedy. Greedy when others are fearful. So this is a healthy pullback. Obviously, I didn't think it was gonna pull back this fast or this aggressive, but hey, it happened. It happened. You know what they call it? Black Thursday, March 2020 all over again. Oh, don't even take me back to March 2020. AMC 13, let's go. It's coming. It's like the rocket. It's coming out of nowhere. Here we go. Large Sound is Ride really a stock on Reddit? Who here is very like follows Wall Street Bets very religiously? I need to know. I need to know what's going on in there. Like this stock is supposedly in there. I mean, it's up today. But with all these EVs, it goes back to what Warren Buffett said on their Berkshire's annual meeting. What he said about all the companies that started in 1920s, the car companies that were here in the 1920s. How many of them are alive? Not a lot. So this reminds me of what's going on right now with the EVs. You see all these new EVs popping left and right. Nikola, what are they out today? A lot of them won't be alive in the next coming years. Tesla might not even be alive. We don't know. Let's see. I just want Tesla to get over 600. I'm with you, Nugget. That's the real resistance there, 600, and we were there. We were there. But Elon went off on Twitter. Damn, on Friday. Look right here, man. Look at this. We were there. 598 on the 4-hour. That translates to above EMA. Ready for a pop right here. Look, beautiful. It's gonna come up. Nope. Shit. Come on, Tesla. Let me set an alert on this and not look at this anymore. We got 2 minutes actually. I don't think we'll pop 565. But Nasdaq, what a recovery, man. The market says screw the Fed. We're going up. We're going up. Is AMC closing at 13? It's close. I have a feeling AMC's gonna go up after hours again. Yesterday we streamed for 5 hours. We stayed on long after hours. Had to watch a 30-second ad, really? The consensus tends to tell you what is in their best interest. That too, always make sure you see what people's incentives are, companies' incentives are. Robots will start to making their own EV soon. We're all screwed. Just be careful. All right, here we go. We're closing in 30 seconds, baby. GameStop, what are we doing? Let's go for that 170 GameStop. AMC now looking to pull back. Pretty decent green. There we go. Oh, SPY, what are you doing? SPY's ripping. And SPY was the one that was kind of lagging today. How about the Dow? Oh, coming back to life. I like that. People are buying the dip. Let's go. Let's go. We got 10 seconds. Tesla, give me a rip. AMC, give me a rip. Come on, come on, come on. No, no. People want to sell. People don't want to hold. 2, 1, 0. Market bell. There we go. We close. AMC closed at 1263. GameStop closed at 168.83. Tesla closed at 563. Literally pre-market levels. After hours, let's see how futures open up in 2 hours or so. Futures, futures, futures. Let's see, let's see. Tomorrow is going to be another bloodbath. We print on Friday. I don't know, man. I don't even want to guess anymore. I don't. It's just so unpredictable. Bitcoin is ripping. Let's go. 39.4 on Bitcoin. Oh, it's pushing. There we go. Ethereum Classic also took a nasty hit, 40 bucks. Alrighty, that's it. Aliens crashed us this morning. We were talking about aliens all night, all evening yesterday. Oh man, what a day! What a day! The show goes on though for crypto. The show goes on. What do we got here? Stock square losses with though I can't see with the activate windows. I activated Windows. I don't know why this is still here. What a waste of 300 bucks. And I didn't even buy that. I was gifted the code. Rob bought it for me. And it doesn't even work. This is why you don't use fake codes before. A lot of people gave me codes and I guess I screwed up my system. Is it true if you don't activate Windows within a year, your system locks or something like that? Don't know if that's true or not. Tesla stock is down more than 30% from its highs. Where could it be headed? Oh gosh, Dave Portnoy is getting clapped on SafeMoon. He says he has diamond hands. Go AMC. I'm telling you, is AMC moving after hours? Oh, I could see that. I could see an after hours push. 64? Where does that put us on the 4? That's a pretty strong 4-hour candle if you ask me. Let's see. Bitcoin over 40K on Bit. Let's see Robinhood. It's so close. 39. But every exchange shows something different. Damn, over the last month, down nearly 30%. That's tough. That's tough. Hopefully Bitcoin has a crazy rip to 45K. Something crazy. Alrighty, let's see. I don't think we'll see anything for like because the other time it took like 2 hours for AMC to actually push after hours. That might take some time. Mm-mm-mm. The memes on Twitter are oh, why is Kathy Wood trending? Kathy Wood just predicted 500K on Bitcoin, half a mil.
$500,000. Do you still hold that target? Do you still think that's where we're headed?
We do. I do. Yassine El Mandra is our crypto analyst, and we go through soul searching times like this and scrape the models. And yes, our conviction is as high. The one thing that has changed here, however, is the environmental concerns around Bitcoin in particular have caused people like Elon Musk to pull away and say, whoa, 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 let me make sure I understand this. And we believe that even this is going to change because, first of all, right now, the percentage of Bitcoin mined with renewable.
Oh, you guys heard of Kathy Wood, 500K PT on Bitcoin. That's why she's trending. People are calling her crazy. Let's see how they finish today. How's ARK doing today? Down 1.84. Let's wait for that report later on. Let's see what they bought, what they sold. Pretty sure they sold more Apple. How did these other stocks do too? Roku is one of them. We're watching similar charts all around. TDoc, they have some TDoc too. Teladoc. Palantir. This one's another popular one among a lot of traders. Their earnings dip here, 20 bucks. Not the greatest 4-hour. I'm not a big Palantir bull. Any big PLTR people here? Palantir? How did my freaking treadmill do? Treadmill. Peloton. Green, okay. Peloton releases locking software update for recalled treadmills. Tread Plus. Peloton shows up 2%. Trader circulate business insider reports Peloton adds a password lock to screen to its recalled 4,200 treadmill plus. So I would just go walk. Why spend 4,000 on a treadmill when you can just go walk outside? I mean, yeah, obviously, some people, the weather conditions, it's safer inside, blah, blah, blah. But I don't know. That's just Bitcoin broke 40K on Voyager. Let's see. Robinhood. 39.6. What? All right, let's go to Bitmart. Robinhood, we hate you. 39.3. Oh, 39.8. There's a huge discrepancy in the prices we're showing here. 35, 39.5. Oh, I got a margin call. Who's calling me? 39.6, 39.5. AMC's moving. Oh, damn it. Hold on. It's calling me. Yeah, 1277. I'm telling you, it's going to move after hours. All my homies hate Robinhood. All right, let's check out AMC really quick. Oh, baby. It's coming. 1280s. This puts us back. Beautiful, beautiful. $83. Go for 13, man. 84. We saw this yesterday, but it was followed by a dump. Don't dump on us. 83, 85. Tendies tomorrow. Fuck, we need to print tendies tomorrow. 85, baby. How's GameStop? Doing the same thing? No, I'm pretty sure not, because GameStop's really low volume too. I miss those days where GameStop would go crazy after hours. The demand, the attention, the volume was nuts. I hope Bitcoin will close above 46. That's what I'm saying, man. I hope today it just rallies 45 today. Screw the weekend. I want this today. We need that faith. We need that hope that, hey, it dips. All right, we'll buy the dip. Buy the dip. That's exactly what happened. Like, people did panic. Obviously, the Bitcoin dropped, but the fact that it rebounded that quick is very impressive. All right, is this going to dip on us like it did yesterday? Just wait for 2 hours for futures. Oh, man. This is better looking than this morning. Who here was watching this morning? This is not that as bad, I guess you can say, as earlier this morning. Earlier this morning was just bloodbath. We saw a pretty strong rebound. Bitcoin is taking a BD. All right. Notifications. Oh, wow. Exactly 2 weeks from now, we get the proxy for AMC, June 2nd. I think Adam Aaron tweeted something about the proxy, right? I saw that in the Discord. Let's see. CEO Adam. Is that his Twitter? CEO Adam, yeah. Yeah, he tweeted, Here is how to vote in the coming July 29 annual meeting for AMC shareholders. In early June, we will be sending a new proxy and voting materials to those owning AMC stock on June 2nd, exactly 2 weeks from now. This is the key here that I noticed. It is a brand new election, starting over completely afresh. Any votes for the May 4th meeting will be completely ignored. That's interesting. So does that mean he's not going to introduce, or if he does introduce another offering, another dilution, it just has to come lower than 500 mil. Like that, I don't want that back, that 500 mil. Nobody wants that back, and he knows it. If it comes in at 100 mil, okay, that's cool. That's better than 500, but just tell us the structure and the planning for it. Or maybe no dilution, no. But they're always gonna need some cash. We're barely getting reopened. A lot of the AMCs. Let's just get past this freaking Corona, man. I just want to go back to normal. Future Nasdaq pulling back. Let's see these other stonks. So we'll see what happens. What's on that? What's on that? On the voting for June 2nd. I'm very interested. Very interested. 'Cause aside from the executives, is there going to be dilution? I don't know. I really don't know. Dilution is fine. It's fine. It's completely fine. The only problem was with the 500 mil, a massive problem that I saw, and which caused me to sell was, first of all, you're talking 100+% dilution, 500 mil. That's a joke, man. Penny stocks do that shit. AMC is not a penny stock like that. I was not okay with that. They've already done this earlier this year. They've already wrecked AMC. They're trying to do it again with 500 mil with no plan, no structure. Absolutely effing not. It's fine if they come in lower but structured because they're going to need the money. All I'm looking for is a plan. That's it. And if they can put it off, that's amazing. In which I believe he tried to put off the 500 mil till 2022. Can he do it with less shares till 2022? Maybe. Let's just wait and see. What's going on, Ragnar? Mad late. Yeah, you missed that pretty decent tech rebound we had here towards the end of the day. Also, Bitcoin is near 40K once again. Let's pull this up really quick. Are we above 40? Yes! Yes! It's finally showing 40. We're above 40. And the thing is, with this bounce that's this aggressive, this fast, people who sold or are planning to buy, they're like, holy crap, this thing just bounced from 30 to 40 like that. This is going to cause more people to chase Bitcoin at these prices. I was too much and I sold two. Once it broke 14, I'll get back in and out if they keep this BS up. Exactly. And just for me expressing my opinions that I see it that way, I got called a shill. I get called that I'm working for Melvin or Citadel. I get called a hedgy, an idiot. Just by seeing that perspective, it makes me kind of sad because obviously that's the AMC community. Like, I had a channel because of AMC and GameStop, you know? And the fact that they couldn't respect that or they can't see both sides, it makes me really, obviously first, like, it's like, all right, it sucks, you know? But just like with anything, there's always going to be, I hate to use this word, echo chambers. The last thing you want to do when trading stocks is be in an echo chamber that you can't look at both sides of the perspective. That's the same thing with Tesla, man. Tesla can be an echo chamber. Bitcoin is an echo chamber. It's the same thing, man. It's coming from somebody who has Tesla too. It sucks. Like, people can't take both sides of the perspective. Like, Elon effed up. This is not good for Tesla. There's no way you can paint this picture perfect. It sucks. What's going on with Tesla right now? Do you think AMC will break 1454 and hold? As long as it holds 12, man, it still looks darn headed for that push above. Again, June 2nd, just that's the next biggest catalyst, I think, for AMC, June 2nd. You'd have to delete that Nuggets message. Fool me once, shame on you. Yeah, the people who stayed, yeah, I respect you guys so much. I appreciate all of you guys. I truly do. I truly do. It's like I'll always tell you guys the way I see it, you know? No matter how much it hurts, I'll always keep it real with you guys. Always keep it real. I have no reason not to. I always tell the truth. I don't sell freaking courses. I don't sell any Patreon merchandise. Nothing of that. There's no incentive for me to do that. And I think that's what confuses a lot of these other YouTubers who saw me do that. It's just like channel suicide, basically. These guys are making ad revenue like crazy. Like, it isn't. I was making ad revenue too. It just doesn't make sense, you know, from a business point, just to do that to a channel like this. I was getting pretty good views, you know, and to me, it's not about that. I was here making content on YouTube before AMC and GameStop. I was here before being monetized. I don't care. I'll always tell the truth. Like I don't care. I do not care. I'm grateful and blessed. I have other avenues that take care of me. You know, that's it. That's it. And no hate to anybody else. Like I want everybody to win. That's it. I want everybody to make money. Simple. Everybody makes tendies. We're all happy. Bitcoin needs to break 40.6 for a 40.6 for a run to 46. Let's see where this takes us, man. Let's see where this takes us. That's what I like your stream. And I gave out 2 PlayStation 5s and like $1,000 worth of gift cards. I gave all my ad revenue away. I was giving my ad revenue. And I got shit on like that too. Still, it sucks. We're in this to make money, baby. And learn. That's what I don't understand. What people get mad at people selling and calling them paper hands when they're taking profits. It's like, no, man, you do you. You have a plan. You want to enter here and exit and take profits. Do it. Screw everybody who tells you you're a paper hand. Screw them. Are they going to pay your bills? I don't think so. Are they going to cover your loss if the stock goes south? I don't think so. I hope the Chinese won't dump Bitcoin. Yeah, even for the markets. Let's wait for the EU. Let's wait to see how they react to the markets today. Because yesterday, oh man, it was bad. You could talk shit about Matic and I'll still watch it. Oh, I need to look more into that. It was hard to hold after you dumped AMC. The hope was lost. You were the hope. See, I hate reading things like that. Like I shouldn't be the hope, man. Like you shouldn't be trading stocks off the hope of somebody else, off somebody else's opinion. Like you should look deep into the analysis. I'll give you the numbers, lay out the facts. This is this is that, this is the negative, this is the positive. Boom, it's up to you. You make the decision. That's it. But always cross the street looking both ways. Look both ways, man. Look for the incentives. Look for the incentives, man. That's it. You don't cross the street looking one side. You look both sides. Look at both, the positive and the negative, and you make the decision. That's it. I mean, the time we actually pushed the AMC at 15, it took 2 hours though. Keep that in mind. After hours closes in 4 hours. Still a long time. We're off getting philosophical. It's not even philosophical. It's just real. It's just real. That's why I don't go on Reddit. I don't go on these other, what is it? Stock Twits, I believe. Stock Twits, like I don't do that anymore. When I first started trading, yes, I was hooked onto Stock Twits. Now it's just like people are on there just screaming nonsense. It's just like nuts. I don't like doing that because it just messes with your head. It gives you FOMO and it makes you emotional. It's just like step back, you know. I bought AMC before I started watching Ralph. He spit knowledge on technicals, and that's why I started watching. I appreciate that. Yeah, I remember we were just covering tech the minute by minute, candle by candle. And I was telling you guys how I saw it, the way it was, you know. And then the management and the 500 mil, a lot of things changed. So when you're presented with new data, new info, you have to adapt. And that's why people watch the news. They keep up with the news because they want to keep up to date. If something comes out and you don't like it, then you have to change your thesis, change your plan. So let's see. Crypto market is down 17%. Yeah, it's recovering. We were down 20% earlier, a couple hours ago, when I took a look. Surprisingly, Tesla's pretty flat here at 62. Not a lot after hours. Hmm. All right, I think we're gonna end it here. If you guys did enjoy this, I'd appreciate if you guys destroyed the like button. If you're new, we go live every day, Monday through Friday at market open. We're closing in, guys. 2 more power hour streams, and after that, they're done. Power hour streams are gone. But we're still gonna be doing videos and morning live streams. How long do you believe the manipulation will continue? I think it won't stop, man. I don't think it'll stop. Unless the SEC does something, in which I don't think they will. It's just like it's like a freaking joke what they're doing. It'll come back. I'm just worried about regulation. Just like the inflation fears we have in the market right now. Crypto's going through the same thing, but with regulation. And then they go hand in hand. Crypto in the markets, crypto in the markets, crypto tanks. Oops, the market's tanking. You have to keep perspective of both. Yeah, an already bruised market in crypto. Yeah, man, it's like I said this morning, it's like a boxer. The right fist is literally crypto, and the left hook is freaking stock market. It's like you're on the ropes. You're like, damn, what do I do? It's like everybody has a plan till they get punched in the face. All right, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow at pre-market. Peace out. I appreciate all of you guys. Have an amazing rest of your evening, and hopefully AMC just shoots up out of nowhere